So in the exam, they're going to say, maybe follow the signs towards Yedding. So there's a road sign up ahead, the boarding. You can see Heathrow's first exit, Yedding, which one is that? Can you see?
Second, yeah.
Second. Ruislip Uxbridge is third, and Harrow Norfolk fourth. So Yedding naturally would think it's a left lane, isn't it? But watch what happens. We can't see it right now because of the cars. So that's me. Okay. Brake. And just slow so we can see the arrows. Clutch, I'm taking one so we can see the arrows. So look, straight says the right lane in it. So naturally you think you go to the right lane, but can you see it says Yedding on this side of the floor. So
you have to try to get into that
you have to see
lane.
that, and then you want to see something else. Clutch down, brake, just wait. So we can just show you the arrows again. You're gone. Okay. So obviously you should be a bit more closer, but we just stopped a little bit early just so we can see the arrows. So naturally, we said we're taking the second exit, kind of straight. The right lane said it goes straight, so you might think naturally, let's go to the right lane. But it does say Yedding on the floor, and it's a bit misleading. And then the lane's going to split up, and the middle lane will go straight. Watch. See the arrow on the floor? The left goes left only. So check out right, and it says Yedding on the middle as well. And then from the middle lane, check our left mirror. We go to
this lane.
This lane here. But saying that, did you see from the left lane it actually goes straight as well? Did you see that?
Yeah.
So you could have actually gone straight. So it's quite misleading.
You can be in either one of these lanes.
Yeah, it's quite misleading. Yeah. So you'll check your left, but they might cut across. And then indicate left, please. Check our left mirror. Can we move across?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that as well. I'll go to the correct here. Or if you know the ends, you can merge, and it merges in from the right anyway. So either way would have been alright. Good. Let's carry on driving. So that's kind of how you do. But how do you know how to do all this? By practicing it. Then you'll know the lane markings, the arrows. You'll know where it's a bit confusing, contradictory. So
I just try to remember like that roundabout, like which lane you need to like the path that you need to follow to get to which
exactly.
exit.
Yeah.